Hey guys, using Personal Hotspot on your iPhone allows you to share your cellular data connection with other devices, like your Mac, PC, iPad, or a friend's phone, when you don't have access to Wi-Fi. Here's everything you need to know about setting it up, connecting devices, and managing it like a pro. So, step 1, turn on Personal Hotspot. Before you start, make sure your iPhone has cellular data turned on. Right? Open the Settings app, go to Personal Hotspot, right? After you turn on, of course, the cellular data. If you're new, you can just set up your own personal hotspot, right? And you could toggle on allow others to join. And you can set a secure password. Directly below the toggle, tap the Wi-Fi password, enter a strong password so strangers can't leech off your data plan, and then tap done. Now connect your other devices. You can connect a device to your iPhone's hotspot in 3 different ways. Wi-Fi is the easiest and most common. So on the device you want to connect, for example your laptop, open its Wi-Fi settings, look for your iPhone's name in the list of available networks and click it, enter the password you created on your iPhone. Of course, you have also the Bluetooth method by turning on Bluetooth, right? And pair it with your laptop or your USB, right? Plug your iPhone into your computer using your charging cable. If your iPhone asks trust this computer, tap trust and enter your passcode. On your computer, open your network settings. It will automatically detect your iPhone as a wired Ethernet connection, right? Now, the features, they have the family sharing shortcut. If you use Apple's family sharing, you can let your family members join your hotspot automatically without typing password every time. So again, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, Family Sharing. Turn it on and select whether family members must ask for approval or can join automatically. Okay? If you're trying to connect an older laptop, gaming console, or older device and it won't connect, go to your iPhone's hotspot settings and turn on maximize compatibility. Note this switches your hotspot from fast 5G GHz or 5 gigabyte hertz Wi-Fi band to a slower, older 2.4 gigahertz band so that older wireless chips can read the signal. So, how to tell when someone is connected? When a device is using your hotspot, a green bubble or link icon will appear behind the time in the top left corner of your iPhone's screen. You can swipe down to open your control center and long press the Wi-Fi icon widget to see exactly how many devices are connected. Now, if you don't see the personal hotspot option in your settings at all, it usually means your cellular carrier plan doesn't include hotspot data, or it needs to be provisioned. You'll need to check your carrier's app or call them to make sure it's activated on your account. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next